In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google AdSense to YouTube. We're going to walk through exactly where this lives inside YouTube Studio, how to signal that you're ready, and what to expect next so the connection happens smoothly. Start by opening your YouTube channel in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the channel. In the top right corner, click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. This takes you to your channel's control center, where you can manage videos, analytics, and monetization. On the left-hand side, click Earn. Think of the Earn tab as your monetization hub. This area is dedicated to generating revenue from your content, including setting up ads and enabling channel memberships. You'll notice several options and features here that relate directly to your channel's monetization status and tools. It's also where YouTube tells you what's available now and what's coming next. Within this section, look for the prompt that asks if you want to know when you're eligible. If you see that, click Get Notified. Clicking this does two important things. It tells YouTube that you're ready to proceed with monetization as soon as your channel qualifies, and it ensures you'll receive alerts the moment you can continue. You don't have to hunt around for updates. YouTube will let you know when to take action. After you click Get Notified, YouTube will handle the AdSense connection automatically at the appropriate time. AdSense is the payment platform YouTube uses to process earnings from ads, and the connection is initiated through this same Earn workflow. When your channel becomes eligible, you'll see clear on-screen prompts to complete the AdSense setup. The steps are guided, secure, and designed to be straightforward. Simply follow the instructions that appear. A few practical tips while you're here. Keep checking the Earn tab for status updates so you know where you stand. Make sure your account email can receive notifications, since YouTube will contact you there. If you're asked to confirm details during setup, ensure your information is accurate to avoid delays. And if you already have an AdSense account, you'll be able to connect it when prompted rather than creating a duplicate. To recap, open your YouTube channel, click your profile picture, go to YouTube Studio and choose Earn. In that section, click Get Notified to signal your readiness. From there, YouTube will guide the AdSense connection automatically when it's time, and you'll complete the remaining steps right on screen.